In Google Calendar, each guest invited to a meeting can propose a new time, and the organizer can easily review and accept time proposals. This allows for richer communication between attendees, reduces time spent on meeting practicalities, and makes meetings more productive with key stakeholders in attendance. When a user is invited to an event, they can respond yes, maybe, or no. But now, click on the preview, choose the down arrow at the bottom right of the event, and say propose a new time. You can see the other guests' availability side by side if calendar access permissions are granted to you. So you can suggest a time that works for everyone. You can send that proposal along with an optional message to the organizer who can accept the proposed time by simply accepting it when it comes to their email. All invitees will receive an email notification about the time change, which will automatically update on the calendar if the meeting change is accepted. If a meeting has a current proposal on it which has not been accepted, you will see the change time icon on the meeting preview to let you know that a proposal is waiting to be accepted.